guys, welcome back to Cantonese. 𝙂𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙧. So last time I have already taught some COVID terms in Cantonese on my live stream, but lots of people don't like the way how we teach on live stream, and also I don't think I have a good performance on my live stream, so I'm going to delete that live stream video. So today I would like to teach you COVID terms again. Hope it could help you in this epidemic situation. First, the most important thing is to keep ourselves safe. First, we should wear mask. 戴口罩，戴口罩，戴 wear. 戴口罩 wear mask. 戴 is to wear accessories like wear earrings. 戴耳環。戴耳環 or wear glasses 戴眼鏡 戴眼鏡 Second, if you want to be more protective, you could also wear face shade 面罩 Also, you could wear protective clothing 着防護服着 wear clothes 防護服防護 protective 服 like 衣服 clothing 着防護服 wear protective clothes. And also, if you have to go to supermarket or go out, if you are a person who would like to touch here, touch there, it's better for you to wear 一次性膠手套 or 一次性膠手襪。一次性膠手襪，一次性 literally means like one times. So 一次性 disposable 膠 platters 手套 or 手襪 gloves 一次性膠手套 disposable plastic gloves. And what's more, if you don't want to cause the waste for the environment, you could also wash hands more. 多啲洗手，多啲洗手，多啲 more 洗手 wash hand. So if you don't have a chance to wash your hand all the time, you could also prepare some hand sanitizer. 酒精搓手液，酒精 alcohol. Alcohol is included in our hand sanitizer. 搓手液，搓 robe 手搓手. So that is the way how we wash our hand. 液 liquid. What's more, we should stay away from the crowd. 唔好去咁多人嘅地方，唔好去咁多人嘅地方，唔好 don't 去 go 咁多人 such many people 地方 place。唔好去咁多人嘅地方。If you don't mind, it's better for you to get a vaccination. 打疫苗，打針 get injection. 打疫苗 vaccination, vaccinate. So our first dose is 第一針。The second dose 第二針 booster shot is 加強針 strengthen 針 dose 加強針 booster shoot. Then we should learn some COVID terms so that we could understand the news, and also we could talk about the epidemic situation with our families or friends. And also, if we feel unwell, we could tell the doctor what happened. First, if you would like to tell the epidemic situation with friends, so you could say 疫情 epidemic situation. So for example, we could say 香港今次嘅疫情好嚴重。香港今次嘅疫情好嚴重。今次 this time 好嚴重 very serious. So the epidemic situation in Hong Kong is very serious this time. You could also add some words to emphasize your tone, like 鬼死 extremely, really, freaking. So 香港今次嘅疫情好鬼死嚴重。The epidemic situation in Hong Kong this time is extremely serious. Then the news will tell you that how many new cases every day. So we could say 每日都有萬幾單新增確診。每日都有萬幾單新增確診。每日都 every day 有 have 萬 10,000 萬幾 it means over 10,000 單中例 all of them could be measure word for cases 新增確診 new confirmed cases. So we could also need to know like what is domestic cases. So 本土確診 and they will also tell you imported cases 境外輸入 境外輸入. So many people, they are very worried and you would like to take the PCR test. PCR test is 核酸檢測 or 驗核酸. For some communities, I know you have to take compulsory test. 強制檢測 compulsory 檢測 to take a test. And there is two results. First, a positive. Positive is 陽性. It shows positive. 呈陽性. And we should be relieved when it shows negative. 陰性 negative. This theory is like yin yang, you know. So we will say 陽性 and 陰性. And now we have to know some symptoms of COVID. Have a fever, 發燒, cut, cough, shortness of breath, 呼吸困難, take a breath, 困難 difficult, soy sauce, 喉嚨痛, throat, 喉嚨, and headache, 頭痛. So you'll find that 痛, it means ache. If you got COVID unluckily, you might need to quarantine, 隔離, or you need to hospitalize, 住院, literally means like live in hospital, 住院. And then some people, they don't have symptoms, so we will say 無症狀, no, don't have 症狀 symptom. Most people, they will have some mild symptom, 輕 light, or for some people like the elder, it will be the critical condition, 重症, 重 literally means like heavy, important, serious. I think during this time, those hair care workers are quite important and they work so hard. I really appreciate for their hard working. So we should say this to them. First, for those healthcare worker, we will call them 醫護人員, 醫 doctor, 護 nurse, 醫護人員 the healthcare personnel. And then 醫生 doctor, nurse is 姑娘 means a married girl. The reason why we call nurse as girl because in the past in Hong Kong is those sisters who take care of the patient. But nowadays we don't see lots of sisters anymore. So right now we call those nurses as 姑娘 who take care of the patients. When we meet a male nurse, how could we call them? Well, some people say you could also call them 姑娘. But I think it would be better if we call them 護士 nurse. If we want to appreciate for those healthcare workers, then we could say thank you for all the hard work. 辛苦晒. And then I really wish Hong Kong will hang in there. 香港加油啊，加油 fighting. Hang in there, stick it there, keep going. It's like that. That's what we learned today. I really hope that everyone could be safe in your country. I hope everyone could take care and I really hope COVID will end soon. I know that everyone feels depressed for this epidemic situation for a long while. Hang in there, it will be gone. If you liked today's video, please give me a thumb up. If you would like to support me, you go to my Patreon page, buy me a bubble tea, or also you could book my lesson. See you soon. Bye bye.